Hello, Stefan from Octomind here. Today I'm going to show you how you can work with additional header fields that you configure on the Octomind platform. To showcase this, I created a simple web application that features CAPTCHA for checking for humans, where you can just do the normal check here, input some email address, maybe click submit, and get a success message if you do this as a human. There's a special header field detected by the web application. I can show you this also here in Chrome. I have an extension that sends a new header, CAPTCHA, along with the request. And as soon as I enable this one, I can actually bypass the CAPTCHA completely. So no CAPTCHA here anymore. So how can I use this in the Octomind platform? I tried to discover a test case with the CAPTCHA previously, but ended up in the agent not being able to solve this. As you can see here, it's trying to find bicycles and whatnot, but usually ends up in not being able to fix the CAPTCHA. So how can we mitigate this? There's a new setting that says add additional custom header fields. And if I now add a new custom header field like x minus skip CAPTCHA, give it the value magic, and then save this. Now I can simply go ahead and rediscover the whole test case without the CAPTCHA and hopefully being successful this time. So I will just do a regenerate step. And now the agent will rediscover the page. But because of the new header field I set in the settings, there will be no CAPTCHA anymore. So you can see already that in the preview on the right, there's no CAPTCHA anymore. It's entering email address into the right element. Clicks simply on submit. And then later on should detect that there is a success message also visible on the screen. And then we should end up in a successful green test case. So the check is also already done. We see the success message, even though it checks on a different thing. Not sure why this happens. But what you can see, we have a successful green test case now. And of course, we could go ahead and just change for the last checking step that we do not check onto the email field, but instead on the success message. Okay, so this is how you could bypass a CAPTCHA check that the agent isn't able to solve if your application is prepared doing this, triggered by a custom header that we configured in the Octomind platform. Thanks for watching.